number 12. Sin square x upon 1 plus cos x. So can we write as sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay. So can we write as integration of 1 minus cos square x upon 1 plus cos x. Okay. Now can we apply in this a minus b? A square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. Okay. So can we applying this? We get integration of 1 minus cos x 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Okay. Now we cancel out this cos x 1 plus cos x, we remaining 1 minus cos x dx. Okay. Integration this function, we get integration of 1 dx minus integration of cos dx. Okay scholars. Integration of this, integration of 1 dx is x minus of integration of cos x minus sin x plus c. Okay. This is our final answer. Okay scholars. Question number 13. Integrate this function. Now can we write as integration of 2 cos square x minus cos square x. Okay. Upon cos x minus cos alpha. Here is also cos alpha. Okay. Dx. Okay. Nothing else. We change these into half angle. We get this cos square x, and we get it common too. Okay. So cancel this cos x, cos alpha and cos alpha. We get remaining integration of 2 cos x minus cos alpha dx. Okay. So integrate this function. 2 integration of cos x minus of integration of cos alpha dx. We integrate with respect to x. We get integration of cos x is sin x minus integration of cos alpha is cos alpha, or integration of dx is x of cos alpha plus c. Okay. This is our final answer. Okay scholars, where c1 plus c2 equal to c is constant. Okay scholars. Now question number 14. Integrate this function cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x. So can we put sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. Okay. 1 can we write as sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Okay. Put this substitution according to this identity, we get this integration of cos x minus sin x upon sin square x plus cos square x plus of 2 sin x cos x dx. Okay. This property can be, this is sin square a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So applying this property, cos of x minus sin of x upon sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Can we write it? Now taking substitute. So sin x plus cos x equal to t. Okay. Now derivative of sin x is cos x, or derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx equal to dt. Okay. To put this substitution in this, we get integration of dt upon t square. Okay. So can we write as integration of t minus 2 of dt. Okay. Integrate this function, we get t of minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay. So we get t of minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c, or can we write as 1 upon t plus c. Now the substituting the value of t is this. So 1 upon sin x plus cos x plus c is the final answer. Okay scholars, this is our final answer. Question number 15. Integrate tan cube 2x sec 2x dx. Okay, so can we simplifying this function? We can write as tan square 2x tan 2x sec 2x dx. Okay, or we can write as integration of tan square 2x can be write as sec square 2x minus 1 tan 2x sec 2x dx. Okay, integrate this function. So let assume sec 2x equal to t. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. So sec 2x tan 2x or 2 dx equal to dt. Okay, but we can this function, so we can write as sec 2x tan 2x dx. 2 can be shift this side, we get 1 upon 2 dt. Okay, substitute this function in this, we get integration of 1 upon 2 t square minus 1 dt. Okay, this we substituting the value of this in this function, we get this. Okay, so 1 upon 2 integration of t square dt minus integration of 1 dt. Okay, so integrate this function, we get 1 upon 2 1 upon 3 t cube plus c1 minus of t plus c2. Okay, or we can write as 1 upon 6 t cube minus of 1 upon 2 t plus c. Okay, where c1 plus c2 equal to c. Okay, or we will substituting the value of t. Value of t is this, so final answer is 1 upon 6 sec cube 2x minus of 1 upon 2 sec 2x plus c is the final answer. Okay scholars, this is our final answer. Question number 16. Integrate this function tan 4x dx. So can we write as this? So can we write tan square x sec square x minus 1 dx. Okay, now we simplifying that, we get tan square x sec square x minus of tan square x dx. Okay, so can we write this? Let in this integral, let this is I1 and this is I2. Okay, so in I1 we are assuming that tan x equal to t. Say derivative of tan x is sec square x dx equal to dt. Okay, or in this I2 we can write as I2 equal to integration of sec square x plus 1. We have minus sign, so we can write as sec square x plus 1. Okay, so we can write as integration of t square dt minus of integration of sec square x plus 1 dx. Okay, now integrate this function, this one. Now integrate this function, we get 1 upon 3 t cube plus c1 minus of integration of sec square x is tan x plus x plus c2. Okay, now we're putting the substitution value of t equal to tan x. Okay, now we get 1 upon 3 tan cube x minus of tan x plus c. Okay, this is our final answer, where c1 plus c2 equal to c. Okay scholars, this is our final answer. This answer is okay scholars. Question number 17. Integrate this function. So let simplifying that, can we write as sine cube x upon sine square x cos square x plus of cos cube x upon sine square x cos square x dx. Okay. Now sine square x and sine square x is cancelled. Here this cos square x and cos cube x is cancelled. Okay. So we get this integration of sin x upon cos square x plus cos x upon sin square x dx. Okay. This can be write as integration of sin upon cos is tan x or 1 upon cos is sec x plus integration of cot x, cos upon sin is cot x or 1 upon sin is cos x. Now integrate this function. Integration of tan x sec x is sec x. Integration of cot x cosec is minus cosec x plus c. Okay, this is our final answer, where c1 plus c2 equal to c. C is constant. This is our final answer. Okay, scholars. Question number 18. Integrate this function. So cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. So can we write as cos 2x plus of 2 sin square x equal to 1. Okay. Substituting the value in this, we get integration of 1 upon cos square x dx, or we can write as integration of sec square x dx. Integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. Okay, this is our final answer. Okay, scholars.